Let's see what we got here. All right, that's the package. Let's go see what it looks like. Okay, let's open up the package, and I'm gonna see it for the first time. Like I say, I've never ordered cards from Fine Art America or Pixels. Oh man. Okay, I just pulled them out. Let's see what they look like. So, here's the first one. That looks awesome. That's a print. That is a print. Oh my gosh. Fine Art America. Oh, look at that. It's got my name and everything on it. Oh, it's got my website too. Well, look at that. That's pretty cool. And the inside is blank. Well, I'm very happy with that. Now, as you know, most of you know, I give away the cards, the originals. So this next one, oh, it's the wheelbarrow one. Came out really nice. This one I gave to Robin's, the original, I gave to Robin's mom because she was ill, so it was a get well card. Oh my gosh. These came out so nice. Oh, you gotta love the way these cards came out. So I do have one, I hope it's in here. Oh, this is the one that I painted for Robert Morales from Traveling with Robert. You ever watch that video? His channel? I sent him the original, and this is a print of it. I love these. Oh, these are way better. These are way better than what I got from Staples. No offense, Staples, but they do a really good job. Fine Art America, that's them. They're not paying me to do this, I promise you. I wish they were. There's the butterfly. Oh my gosh, I am so pleased with the way these came out. The last one is the one I want to show you. This is the card I painted for Robin. That is Robin walking across the stone bridge up in Lookout Mountain in Chattanooga, Tennessee. The reason I was looking forward to showing this to you is because I gave it away to Robin, but we live together, so I still have the original. Now, so the original is in a plastic sleeve. So let me pull it out of the plastic sleeve, and I guess Robin sealed it. Let me pull that out. Hope she doesn't mind. She has it on display. But this is the original card. This is the actual painted card that I painted. You can see I gave it to her for Easter. And there's the actual card. Now let's compare it to the printed card. Can you believe how beautiful it is? Original, printed. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy with the way these came out. I'm going to tell you something. And I don't want to discourage or over-encourage anybody, but making money from art is a skill set. The art itself is a skill set, but making money from the art is another skill set. I do not have the equipment or the skill set to print cards, especially as nice as these. They came out so nice, and I am being absolutely honest with you. I have never seen a card from Fine Art America before. I've seen large prints. I've done prints like the 16 by 20, and they came out beautiful too, but I've never seen the cards. I'm absolutely amazed, and I love these. So let's talk about the money just for a second. Okay, first of all, I ordered these as if I was a customer, meaning I paid the full price and then I will get a profit from my own purchase. So the actual cost to me for one of these was $3.95. Okay. As a customer, though, and I bought these as a customer, so I paid $4.95 for one card, which means that I'm going to get $1 in profit. Fine Art America doesn't determine that amount. I do. I decided I don't want to make a lot of money off these cards. If somebody wants to buy one, I'll make $1. You know, why not? So, yeah, I'd have to sell a lot to really earn a living from doing these cards. That said, I guess you could. You know, if you got some kind of a campaign going where lots and lots of people wanted to buy your cards, then you would make lots and lots of money. But I don't know that anybody wants to spend more than $5 a card. That's probably what they would cost in the regular store. Oh, I love this one. I love this one. The printed version, the original version, now back in a plastic sleeve. So if you're going to sell your cards, the original cards, I'm going to stick to my original statement. This is what I do. I multiply the length by the width, which is 7 by 5. 7 times 5 is 35. And then I charge $3 a square inch. That works out to $105. That's the price for the original card. And I still have a lot of original cards that I haven't put anywhere yet. That's the one I did this morning. That's the one I did yesterday. That's the one I did a couple of days ago. These are all the original cards. So to own one of these, there's only two ways you can own them. They have to either be a gift from me, which is most of the time what they are, or you have to buy them. And the price I put on them is $105. And quite often I get chewed down. It doesn't matter to me. I just want people to enjoy them. But the truth is, most of the cards that I paint end up as a gift to somebody. And see, some I like, some I'm not so happy with. I'm not so happy with that one. That one's kind of whimsical, fun, right? I think I've shown you all these before. Yeah. But the business part of this, for me, it's more of a giving thing. I like giving them away. So if I like giving them away, then why do I have them for sale, right? That's going to be the argument. It's a good argument. It's not an argument. It's a good question. The reason is because people want them, and people say, "How can I get that card?" And if you are like me, if somebody told me $105 for a card, I would say, "Well, I guess I'm not going to buy it. I can't afford that." You know, that's just the honest truth. But if you told me I could get this card, a print, for $5, I would buy it. Now, here's the thing. If you're the artist, you can offer to sign it for them. There's two ways you can sign it for them. One, you get these little sticky notes, those little stickers that you can buy from Staples. They're blank. You sign the sticker. If they ask you to put, "Hey Henry, thank you for your support," and then you put, I would put Larry Whitler, Poppa Paints, or something like that, and they would get the sticker in the mail, and they could put the sticker on the back or whatever, and then you have autographed the card virtually or by proxy, if you want to say it that way. So that's one way. The other way, of course, is to bump into me somewhere. So you say, this is what I want you to sign it, just like you would at anything, like a Comic-Con or something where people sign things. So I don't sell them to pay the mortgage. If that ever happens, I will get a new camera. I'm still talking to my phone, by the way. So, if that ever happens, but that's really not why I do that. In my heart of hearts, I really mean it. I love making these cards and giving them to people. And just like I said, when I got this card from my grandson, it is so beautiful. And at 5 years old, he just warmed me so much. This was his get well card to me because he thought I was sick. I wasn't sick, but it says, "Dear Papa, I hope you feel better." I wasn't sick, but he must have thought I was because I had a doctor's appointment. He's 5 years old, so that was just a beautiful thing. And it's the same thing, you know, we have a pastor at our church. He and his wife, they ask us to send cards to people who are lonely, who are sick. And Robin paints cards too, by the way. I'm not the only one in the home here that paints cards. So we send these cards to the people, and you know, even if it's a card that was purchased in the store, I know the recipients of the cards love them. So did I say enough here? I hope I didn't bore you too much. I'm just so excited about these cards, about the prints, and I wanted to share that with you because I know it's been on your mind. How good are the cards? How do they look? Well, they look outstanding. Now they're glossy, so you don't have that you know, the texture of the watercolor paper. But come on, that looks pretty nice. And there's, whoops, I'm dropping everything. There's the original. Again, just to compare the two. Nice. And by the way, I took a photo of the original with the same iPhone that I'm talking to you on right now. I took the photo with that. I explained this on another one, but I took the photo with the iPhone, just in case you didn't see the other video. And then I used my iPad here, and I sent it by AirDrop. You can send it by email, it doesn't matter how you send it. Let's see if I have that one from Robin in here. So, well, here's the one with the butterfly. So what I did is I sent it to myself. Let's find the butterfly. Butterfly, where'd you go? So there it is. That's the butterfly card, printed by Fine Art America, also known as Pixels. I took a picture of the original card with my phone, sent it to my iPad. You don't have to send it to your iPad, but that's what I did. I used the Procreate program to convert it to 300 dpi, dots per inch, okay? And I made sure it was at least 5,000 pixels on the short side, on the width, the length, whatever. This side was at least 5,000 pixels. I can't remember what this side was, but 300 dpi. Once I had that, then I sent it to my computer. You don't have to. You can send it directly to Fine Art America through your iPad. It doesn't matter, as long as you get the quality picture you want in the high resolution, which 300 dpi is the recommended high resolution. That's from me. You might find a photographer who knows more about it than me. I wouldn't be surprised, but this is what works for me. And the proof is in the card, baby. There it is. The proof is in the finished card. It does come out nice. Now, Fine Art America also offers these on like handbags and other things. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just trying to tell you that those things are going to be bigger. I don't even want to know what they look like. No, I do want to know. But I'm just afraid because they start out this size. So to make them this size, I don't know. I don't know. I should buy one just to show you. But all right, that's it, kids. Nothing else to say. I just wanted to share that with you. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited with how these came out. Yes, pick a card, any card, but there it is. Fine Art America. Yeah. Hike in the woods. They put the title on it. I guess you can put anything. And then you could also have something printed on the inside if you want. Your customer can. They can do their own card, you know. And again, just to re-establish or reiterate, that's the word, you choose your profit. When you go behind the scenes, you choose your profit. If you want $1 a card, you want 50 cents a card, you want $5 a card, whatever it is you set, that's up to you. All right. I was so excited. Couldn't wait to show you. I couldn't wait to see them. All right. Hopefully that helps you. You don't have to use Fine Art America. You can use probably a number of different services. That's just the one I use. And look how nice they came out. Look how nice. I'm so happy with that. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Oh, and P.S. They did come with envelopes. So yes, I did get 6 envelopes with my 6 cards. Pretty cool.